Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we're going to talk about how we can avoid the styling for a component or how we can include the styling for a component. Like let's suppose you want just specific styles for a single model or component, so you can just have those and rest of the styles will be hidden for that. And if you want to just hide few styles, not include all the styles in that, so that's also possible. So let's suppose you have bunch of styling but you want to hide some of few stylings into that, not all the styling. So in the previous video I just forgot to discuss about that, so I'm going to be including it to this one. So if you see my screen, there is a component constraints topic over here, and into that one it gives you two properties in every model when you are adding a type. So it's called stylable and unstylable. So in the stylable you can include the type like what properties you want to add, and in the unstylable you can add the properties which properties you want to hide. Okay, so both the things work different, and also if you are using stylable and unstylable all together, both together, so only it's gonna pick the unstylable one because that's where it has to hide the property, and if you are including the stylable, so it will just include this one. So you can just use one at a time. If you use both together, so always it's gonna give the priority to the unstylable one, and if you are using only single like stylable, so it's gonna include only those specific styles, not gonna be including all. So let's move to the code. I can show you the example. Okay, over here index.js. Okay, so you remember in the previous video I just added one component like my custom element, and then inside that I have just all the properties defined already. So I can just show you that this is the stylable, and I added width, height, display, color. Okay, and I have added the unstylable property color as well. But now you see, okay, if I go to the browser over here, all right, so you know, like the previously I added one component, so let me just drag that one so I can show you. So if I select this component and go over here, okay, go over here in the styles part, so you see all the stylings are loading over here. Just because it's not picking the stylable part, it's picking the unstylable part, and in the typography there would be one style missing which is called color, so I will not be able to see the color over here. Now if I go back, okay, if I go back to the code over here, okay, here we go over here, and I just comment this part, and then color is included into the stylable. So I just go over here, reload the page, I select my custom component over here, and you see only the 4 sectors are coming which have like those styles. So display is coming because display is included, height and width are coming, typography is coming with the color, and the new is coming which I added in the last video and I showed you guys. So width and display both are there because I have the width and display defined. So these stylings are coming, but let's go over here. Now if I remove this part, okay, both the parts, so I'm gonna see all the stylings all together into the styles. Okay, let me just select this component. So all the styles, even color is coming over here now. Okay, so what it does, if you have included both the things at the same time, so it's only going to be picking one, and if you want to just use the stylable part, so it's going to work with stylable, and if you include both, so only going to be picking the unstylable part, not the stylable part. Okay, so keep in mind that, guide, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Chata, bye bye. And let me know in the comment section if you have any query, any question about this one, anything else, so I can help you guys with this one. Okay, so Grapesjs Studio is awesome right now. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.